Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ezinne-Speaks tour. So today, as you can already tell by the title of this video, is going to be meet and eat. So I am trying out street food, and today, since I'm in Enugu state, I'll be trying out Abacha. So last few days ago, I think it was on Sunday, so some of my friends said something about, one lady actually said something about a particular woman's abacha that really tasted real good. She said in fact she was craving for it that day. So we now said, my friends and I, what could be better than trying the abacha out? So today is Wednesday. We are actually going to meet up and then go and have a taste of the abacha. I've not eaten abacha in a very long while, so we'll just go and have the taste of it. So that is what I am going to do today. So go with me while I try out street food number one, abacha. See you. So we're at Nise bus stop. That's the bus stop there. And so that's where the abacha people are staying. See my friends. Chris is still greeting people.
Say hi.
Hello. Hi, peeps.
We're trying our street abacha today. So just beside the bus stop is this area where the woman is known as Mafada. The area is not very clean, but yes, they say she makes the best abacha. So I ordered my normal abacha with fish without onion. Chris's plate had his own abacha with lots of pomo inside it, and he was enjoying himself. The abacha really tasted great for him, while Edith had hers too with fish. So the both of us ordered for abacha and fish, while Chris went for abacha and trying street food.
Hi, people.
What do you want to say?
Going down on local delicacy. Yeah, we need it for survival. Once in a while. We go in abacha, oil bean sliced, aka Abacha.
Why not you being sliced? What is this?
With pomo, going down. See your senior for you.
So after my friends had given me good hope about how tasty their own was, I decided to dive in, and I had a good taste of it. And I must really confess, it tasted great. Like, yeah, it was nice. It tasted sweet. I've not had abacha this sweet before. Yes, so I had pieces of pomo. That was what I just ate now, and then pieces of garden egg, angara in Igbo, inside my own. The taste was amazing. I had myself a good eat. And at this point, the woman sells only abacha, obviously, so we had to order for drink. And let me just tell you, if you want to have abacha and enjoy yourself, have it with chilled bottle of Coke. Don't judge me. I know I should be on a weight loss plan, but man, there are cheat days. And this day having abacha with Coke was a whole lot, but we went to the gym and we had our time out. So it was really nice. The abacha tasted great. There was a good blend of all the ingredients, and I had my feel. There's enough pepper.
Yes.
You don't like it?
No, it's good.
It's good. I like pepper like something else. I like pepper.
Now, okay, me no Fanta number one option. You give them zero whatever cook. Now you're going to get your hammer. It's okay, Fanta one option. Chocolate abacha, you tell them Fanta more. Chocolate abacha, you tell them Fanta more. Chocolate abacha.
Open.
Kega bodo. Yeah. Kega bodo kuchacha.
There's no
Which
straw.
game me? I will tell them Sprite. We think I get now.
Never a straw. Never.
So my Sprite in na bottle. What then?
Potato and straw or bacon. The mouth of this Pepsi. So at this point, my plate was completely cleared out. I saw traces of fresh onion in mine. I had to separate them because I don't eat fresh onion. And at this point, Christian was struggling to finish his own because my friend Edith couldn't finish hers. So she gave him some of her own portion. So Christian was really struggling to finish his own portion mixed with Edith's own. Edith had cleared the remaining portion from her plate and we were all filled up, had our bottle of drink. But what I didn't like was that the environment wasn't really clean and we had to battle with flies. But at the end, we enjoyed street food abacha and it didn't purge us.